Ice cold on my back in the dark. I'm bleeding in the water, you can find me like a shark.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
It's the summer episode.
Fuck yeah. Oh my god. Doesn't even fucking care. Doesn't even fucking matter.
Yeah.
Literally doesn't even fucking care about it. That's the thing. Wow. It's crazy. Chill. Chill. All right, man. Let's do it, Dave. Oh, yeah, baby. Woo! Run it back, Willem, run it back. Oh, yeah.
Yikes. I'm so sorry.
No. Hey, bitch! Oh. So, I'm starting a work vlog. Just general work vlog. I don't really know exactly what I'm gonna put in here, but I'm just gonna put some stuff in here. You know, just, I don't know if I've mentioned this yet in any of my vlogs, but the point of me making them in the first place is so that I can look back on them in the future and remember what my life was like, you know, at this age. I'm really what I'm doing right now. I'm working, so I figure I should put some of that in here. It's not only fun and games. It's a lot. I mean, and even here it's a lot of fun and games. Like I'm chilling back here, but that's not it. You know? I'll definitely put another one of those sandwiches in the vlog. I want to get the chef cooking it in it. Because they're amazing, and I want to showcase how that works too, I guess. Yeah, I don't know. The course we're going, we're awesome. Life is great. Bring it over there, serve it.
Thank you.
Of course. All right, I'm gonna make my favorite drink right now, a nitro soy maple latte. All right, let's see where I was going with this. Okay, scale. Yeah, we use specific measurements. We weigh everything out. As you'll see, I tared it just to make it 0. I'm going to put maple in here, which is 35 grams for a 20-ounce cup, which this is. I usually put a little bit less. 31 is fine. Dissolve the hot water. Put some soy milk in there. There's the nitro, which is nitrogen infused cold brew. It's delicious. It's creamy. It's rich. I love it. Here's our bakery case. Oh, nice. Great. Fresh donuts that day, too. Oh, yeah. I remember it was the one day we've done that since I've been working there. Macarons made by one of our coworkers' 15-year-old twin sisters. It's crazy. When I was 15, I wasn't doing that. I was, you know, doing this and that. And I don't even remember. I don't know. Teas. And they're going to show us how to shut down.
You clear out the things, you put them, you go under here. There's really important. You go like this, and you spin here. You put the other thing in there too. You do the same thing with this one. Like big scoop. Go like this, and you go.
All right, this is Rowan, one of our wonderful baristas, showing me how to shut down the machine. I have never done it. I've worked here way too long to have never done it at this point. Thank you, Rowan. That's great. We're learning together. Yeah. Say something for the vlog, man.
Hi. What is it?
Hey guys, welcome to Crew Coffee. I am loving my job, and I hope that you can come in here and come get some coffee.
Come say hi to the wonderful staff at Crew Coffee. Love it here, man. Write it down for me. What is it?
What is it? It is a eggs, pickled onion.
Shout out, Ben. Thank you.
That was
my coworker, Rachel.
Hi.
Vibing. Just chilling, you know, vibing out, hanging out, doing whatever.
How are you doing?
Good. What can I do for you?
Can I have an iced latte with vanilla in it, please?
Small or large?
Small.
Small iced latte with vanilla and oat milk. Yeah, of course. That's all for you?
That's it.
Can I get a name for that?
Zoe?
Zoe? All right. You got it. What do you got to say?
Taking a matcha.
Yeah. Can we get in the vlog? What? Yeah. What's up, man? Oh, that's terrible. Yeah, what up, man? How you doing?
Danny?
Yeah, it's good to see you. How long have you been working here?
a year.
A year?
Yeah.
And what's your position?
Technically I'm the dishwasher, but I pretty much do everything
Yeah.
except make coffee.
Guess what's in here?
I accidentally.
All right, so we're doing surf and turf tonight. Look at that. Man. Hey, dude, I was literally. That's crazy. That's a same vlog clip. Hey, look at that. Oh,
Really hot.
You ready for some surf and turf?
How you doing?
Front side flip. Are you fucking
kidding me? Stop. Wow.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Oh.
Wow. Very cool.
Yeah.
What's up, player?
Oh man, this is a heated sitch.
Yeah.
Oh, you look. That looks fucked up. Oh God. He's a little like under the jaw.
Are you guys gonna eat the
going on.
gizzards?
Oh fuck.
And then
Oh fuck. Oh yeah. Yeah, there she goes. Missed it.
No!
You have got to be. Yeah.
yeah.
Oh, that's done. The fucking slapping sound.
Look at that. Make you mine, I don't wanna get it.
Surf and turf, baby. We went to Shaw's, got a sweet deal on some lobster and some steak. Surf and turf night, you know, get everybody together, grab some steak and lobster and hang out, have some fun. Oh, it's good. That's fine. Whatever.
The vans and then have it roads.
What do you want? It's a little sad. It is a little bit fucked up, but
Yeah, we're already like
jeez. You know, I gotta be completely honest, the cooking process was fucking sad. You know, you put them in, you watch them squirm around, it's like, oh God, it's really terrible. But this was one of the best meals I've ever had in my life. I'm not even exaggerating, you know. I love lobster. You hardly ever get to eat enough of it. And tonight, not tonight. This night, I feel like I did.
oh fuck.
Yeah. Oh, whoa! Get in there. One more. All right, last one. Hi, buddy. It's terrible. Oh, fuck, it's horrible. Yeah, just make sure to get one. All right, I missed that one, but a second steak ended up on the ground there, actually.
Yeah, they're slippery. It happens.
I wouldn't do that. Fucking everything.
That's fire.
To make one for ate it and not a big deal. That's funny shoes.
Look at that.
Cat carrier bed. Oh my god.
Fuck.
That's just popping.
My fucking god. Holy
shit.
Fuck. God damn it.
Good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, yeah, baby.
That's what he likes.
That's what I like.
Alright, I'll tell that.
Pop that.
Pop that?
Oh, yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Wait, ready?
Oh! Wait, oh,
Oh, you get the white shit.
oh, yeah.
Yeah.
It was over.
Sits in a fat cigar. And then
So good.
we plot war.
That's so much. Oh. Oh, yeah, nice. What do you think of that, Junie?
I love that I just have this.
What? No,
Vlogging, it's a vlog.
Wait, I don't like the name Bruno. I hate it actually.
Did at one point say she likes
No, I didn't. I didn't.
For a baby
You
boy.
are lying. You are straight. No, I
apparently
never said I
got
like
back
the
to
name
her.
Bruno. We said, oh, between Rocco and Bruno. I never
heated.
once said that I like the
What are
name.
you saying? It's
I said I like
okay,
the
wait,
name
wait,
Bruno.
start over. Yeah.
I never once said I like the name Bruno.
Are you filming?
Yeah, yeah.
I think now Imogen says she doesn't like the name Bruno, but
I
at
never
one
said
point,
it. I never said I liked it.
I remember her saying she likes the name Bruno.
I never said you're going around telling Teddy. I didn't even know Teddy. And he comes to me saying I know, like the name Bruno.
Maybe.
How?
I don't remember.
Whole day went
I didn't realize it was like this until it became like this.
You guys are fun but
It's been a whole day.
right now.
He's already there. Like, I can't.
Right thing.
Sylv bringing him some popcorn. He's gonna be fine. Hey, Sylv. Party too hard, 4th of July. It's actually the 3rd. Party too hard on the 3rd, baby. All right, so just to give a little bit of background here, it's the 3rd of July. The fireworks were in Burlington that night. Dudley had a little bit too much to drink and ended up on the ground. So we watched the fireworks back at Rose, Imogen, and Sylv's porch. The whole thing is slightly poetic, you know. Kind of reminded me a lot of what's going on in my life right now. Not to get too personal, but I've been going through it a little bit recently, and you know, although all these beautiful things are happening around me, I have all these wonderful people and things going on in my life. Still feel a little off, like Ledley here. But you know, at the end of the day, just as everything turned out with Ledley, as you'll see at the end of the vlog, everything will be all right with me. So, yeah.
Pull trig.
How do I?
Better
You'll
this
feel
way.
way better once you get it out of you.
Oh, fuck me. Yep.
Get it out of you.
Are you kidding me? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, fuck yeah, dude, get it out.
Recovery.
Doing a lot better now.
I'm doing so much better.
You look awesome, too.
Oh.
260, are you? Yeah. Yeah, hey, Nick.